every time we would see people with disability or somebody using crutch or something, we always have this pity.
We start nicknaming him. And I guess it's not only in Kashmir, it's everywhere.
खोड़िया है, काना कुटा ऐसा बोलते हैं इसको गंडी लैंग्वेज में।
बिचौर लाइक इन कश्मीरी है, बेचारा है, इसको थोड़ी बहुत हेल्प करो।
टुंडा है या कुछ इस तरह का बातें करते हैं और ये कुछ काम की नहीं है।
डेफिनेटली गाली जैसे हैं, किसी को ऐसे बोलें हम।
Eventually, when a child grows up, listening to those terminologies, listening to those or experiencing those attitude, it becomes them.
It is a matter of respect, it is a matter of values. So language matters.
Usually you notice that women are what we say double vulnerable.
Think about the smaller cities or the villages, where a Dalit woman with a disability has to marry.
Especially able, differently able, people are not aware about the proper terminology.
And then I personally have this question, why they are differently abled? Why do we need to attach some kind of a special ability with them?
Every context is different. In some countries, they don't like to call people with disabilities. And in some countries, they call people with special needs.
For people with disabilities, if you see people with disabilities, they are people first and then they are second, a person who is disabled.
जो यहाँ पर छत्तीसगढ़ में जो है विकलांग शब्द का पहले मतलब बंद कर दिया था कि कोई नहीं बोलेगा, तो उन्होंने फिर नाम दिया था निशक्त जन।
देखेंगे निशक्त मतलब शक्ति नहीं, ताकत नहीं है, एक शब्द देखते ना कि किसी दूसरे पे आश्रित है।
In 1995 Act, there was also mentioning some words which is not acceptable as well, like the blindness is there.
In many places, when you go to the schools, when you go to the health center, when you go to the offices, they are using handicap. Handicap is not existing at all. It is a kind of situation. What is the exact meaning of handicap? It is a kind of barrier which is preventing people to include in the society. So this is not it is not related to any person, it is related to the situation.
Instead of blindness, in UNC RPD, there was mentioning a person with visual impairment. It's more acceptable.